sound good. Especially when they are foreign and hear about it. May I tell you, man, you know what people say, why Muta? When I come back to Jamaica, you know, myself, you know, so we could not go back to England. Because man, I walk and I stop people on the road just like that. But for the island like Jamaica, them things you are going, it kind of make you feel strange. Like at Jamaica this. So the question is, what we're going to do about it? Because I guess this is why we are gathered and say these things and do these things. What are we going to do about it? Because Stone, I tell Stone long time, you know, you say Stone, you say me now, I don't no more marching, you know. Especially like come walk out barefoot, I don't no more walk marching. The amount of asphalt to burn up my foot, it is unbelievable. I mean, not marching, get nowhere. More than we just walk in the sunlight and walk and walk and walk. So, what we have to do is really that now, because something has to be done and it has to come from the people then. There's certain amount of organization and education that is necessary for we to move forward out of this devil clear where the two political parties them have winner. The problem with it is that the people them so stuck in the PNP and the GLP thing that when our ones like we come now and start to say certain things, it come like it just blowing at the wind and gone. But this is not the time now for things just blow and gone, so, you know. Because the same people them were
Big Stone.
a whole heap of ones who despise
You get water?
and dehumanize. It's the same ones them now come with the solution. A whole heap of time here you say, boy, I don't like Rasta and all them things. Now people them still say it too. Well, people say, I don't like Rasta, this and Rasta, that, you know. But a whole heap of the things that were Rasta has been saying over the years. We can look now and see, say, it come to fulfillment. We don't have to name out a whole heap of things. But we know say a whole heap of things if you really check it back. Check back the things, them, all the things where you hear Rasta did that for a long time. And say for a whole heap of them and a man say, why Ryan, you know say Rasta did that for that long time? Rasta did that tell you not to eat good food. Rasta did that tell you say ganja this and ganja that. Rasta did all sort of thing. So, you see through me reach a certain level and on stage now, and we can only educate. Because personally I feel that they have to do now, educate. Because most of the rebellion they go on in Jamaica, and some little 20-year-old and 30-year-old youth started, you know. And a big man like me started, you know. Taki, Paul Bogle, Sam Sharp, all of them man they in them almost, you know, you got 30 of it, you know. So when a man I say, boy, Muta, why, what you going to do? What you going to do? Look here. We are doing what we do, you know. We are doing what we do. And the youth them now have to take the baton and run with it. Because we say, we now march again. And no matter if I'm going to come and run more rally again, because sometimes the rally now is just rally. You understand? But we come because we know say we have things to say continuously and we can't just close it off, so we have to say it. So the question is, what are we going to do? Yes. Because the government is, I mean, John can't want to talk about them, you know, it will stress me. May I say, we the people have to figure out with life now. How much time will you hear that already? $1,000,001 time will you hear that? And sometimes it may not different. I look and say, boy, I miss the mountain that day, and I see a pretty man who say really walk barefoot and all them something. I pure them thing there, you know. We need some serious movement in Jamaica where we galvanize the people them. And the only way we can start is trying to people them. Young people will have the strength and the power now and have the foresight. Because we don't give them the foresight already. We don't say this is what's supposed to be done. We don't tell them about Marcus Garvey. We don't tell them about Haile Selassie. We don't tell them about all of them man there. It's only now have to take it and run with it. You can't expect now the one who are telling you certain things and teaching you certain things now to come put the thing in place for you. You have to find a way to what you learn, what was said by the elders them and the past elders them. How you going to put it into perspective now and move with it. We can't make the ties them use them little internet thing and twist up our brains if you know them twist up our whole heap of our brains already. One heap of you gone. Gone. This little rectangular thing where people have them and turn them idiot. Yes, not to mention the music. Right. The music one now is the most. I don't know which one worse. The politician them or the music them. Two of them. I'm trying to figure it out now because I say the youth them more galvanized towards the music, if you can call it that. The youth them galvanized now to more what is said on YouTube and all these things, and what is going on YouTube and all these things. It's not sufficient for the youth them to hold on. So we make our voices be heard whenever we can make it be heard. Daddy. Whenever we have a place and a microphone in our hand, we say what is supposed to happen, that the youth them can come move forward. We can't expect man like Al Miguel now to go start about him about, you know, them here they are Jerry. To go do this and do that. We are doing what we're supposed to do. We are doing what we are supposed to be doing. What else you don't want you to do? What else you don't want you to do? Look how much gun about the place. Look how much gun about the place more than ganja now. Yes. How are the gun them a turn? The gun them a turn for innocent people. We don't do nothing. So well, you don't know say gun is part of a revolutionary force for make change, not to kill one another. I am not your enemy. I am not your enemy. And the man sitting beside is not your enemy. So all of a sudden is you will kill you and your friend will kill your friend and your friend will kill your friend. Then only your friend you see if you kill. Only your friend you see if you kill Rasta. When you see say our ears of people are oppressed or not. I mean I preach on certain things about how much politician you ever hear got prison in Jamaica? How much politician? None of them. You ever say drive-by shooting kill? None of them. None of them. So all the youth them will kill one another, all the youth them will have them gun and all them something. None of them. What are you dealing with? What are you dealing with? Why is it that certain things now upset Parliament? Why is it that these people so comfortable in them oppression? Oppressing the poor and oppressing everybody, even themselves. And then everybody does say, well, right on the word, look how much people, 5 people, 1 youth, just 5 gone. Yesterday, we hear a youth, 17-year-old youth killing 17-year-old baby mother. And it goes on and 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 on. Youth, I kill other people. Youth, I crash more than other people. You know, you're not 70-year-old man I drive and crash. And you're not supposed to steady teeth when the man driving is supposed to steady. But you not crash. Up here, youth me here a crash. So how youth a crash? Youth upon bike a crash. Youth a kill youth in a community. And we see the people them who are oppressed, we just stand up so. And I said, well, you see, we can't teach nothing about these things sometimes because domestic affair. Domestic affair, my blood bath, we're not dealing with. Domestic affair what? But let's talk about domestic affair. Domestic affair what? So all the domestic affair begin. Who is analyzing and saying, this is what caused the domestic affair. I'm going to say how we can put it straight. The Minister of National Security said, the killing we going on the other day, we were there to represent. Couldn't stop. Them couldn't stop it. So which one of them can't stop? The 700 people were dead. 100 people every month dead in Jamaica since the year started. Which one of them could have stopped? The minister said 3-4 years ago 200 guns are coming on the island every month. You ever hear them get 200 guns in a month yet? Right now more guns are coming on the island than the way they said that. So which part of them gun they go? The man who represent the most vile community is the Minister of National Security. What kind of madness that?
Madness that.
The Minister of National Security is responsible for the wickedest place in a Jamaica, in a St. James. And he is also the vice, what do you call him? Prime Minister? Deputy Prime Minister. What kind of craziness is that? And Pat Capital is a Chinaman. I mean, really. We not see them something there. All the people them grab with Rasta. How we get hooked on a feeling. Look on the data there. Because the data them see them swag and all that different kind of swag. Them not business with nothing. More than a fingernail and an eyelash and so them not business with nothing. You know, see, you can't get them for redirect them consciousness into a certain political, social, or even spiritual thinking. And when them hear you upon the radio, them say, why me love listen to him, you know? Why I tell you, I love listen to him, you know? Yeah, love listen to her. They think so we just say because we just love, you listen to it. There's certain things that is said that need to be put in action. And you can't come tell me, you know, say, why Muta, like when they're on the station, we don't start a political party. I don't start a political party. I reach past what Bible is saying you're supposed to live. I reach past that. So why never see no one talk about political party, and you have to start the political party because you don't get the ammunition to start the political party. It's that we are talking about. Instead of run up and down behind politicians every day and talk about like this and water rate, this and all them something there. You don't know for Black Road, when you can't get the pass. So want to the black enough for them people there. Same like how man decides them about Black Road. But we can't get the water, we can't get this about Black Road and throw the parties on the road and block the road. And police have to come and then they come to the parliament to come parliamentary and come down and fix the bloodbath road. And them thing they take. Me I say that non-apologetically. Non-apologetically, no marching, can't do nothing.
Can't do it.
You know, see, it need physical action by the people them, especially the youth them, and the youth them get the ammunition already to make the move. Don't come turn it round for me as so now.
Yeah.
What you want to turn it round for me for?
Yeah.
Don't turn it round for me. I should have laid down in a I shouldn't even come here son attack so. Because we done years and years and years and years and after the same thing and after the same thing and I do the same thing and after the same thing. And it just like that sideways. They like black people that were sideways in a Jamaica.
They like crap.
When I go backwards, you know, because when you go backwards, you know, you move from where you there. When you go sideways, they're in the same position where you there.
Yeah,
we need the youth them, only for them there. We need the youth them to take this thing serious. Because when you see a youth, you know, wipe out 5 people and then a gunshot in life.
Cut them through.
You know where it take for a man go near to some people, to some youth, to some child, to some baby, and just go some groups. I want different kind of art that you know.
Yeah, man.
Different kind of art that you see far goes die, and run. But if you go near somebody and a whole heap of that go on Jamaica.
Muta, cousin do it.
Whole heap of that go on Jamaica.
Cousin do it.
And you them, I talk about youth, you know, the youth them you talk to, you know.
Family.
Yeah, man.
And the youth them you talk to, you know. The youth them some mix up now, they want to talk about ring and all them. Which means, a man see me from a ring and they talk about me well protected one. I'm a stepdaughter billet.
Alright.
No ring can't save you.
Man, boy.
No turn round 3 times and go round 3 times and the blood of Jesus. The blood of Jesus can't save you. You know if you know that. I'm talking to the youth them, you know. Me say, you see all this blood of Jesus and ring this and ring a rosy pocket full of roses. A shama and fall down. It can't save way. But if you go inside and you save ya. and listen to what that one did I hear all the while and use it. Use it, you have to use it. Whether it's, watch out, me not a Martin Luther King man, he's a Malcolm X man.
Yeah man, Malcolm X.
That me I say. Straight up, me not a Martin Luther King man. Because Martin Luther King have the people that march up Clear Washington, mash up all of them shoes and all them blood baths from there. You know what I say? Martin Luther King, them work, he's a Malcolm X man. By the ballot.
Or the bullet.
And that we are saying now.
By any means necessary.
By any means necessary. Freedom don't have no formula. You know it? It's not a thing where you plan to sit down and say, alright, we're going to go, we want to use the Bible. We don't which Bible? Which Bible? You think Bible can save you now? And you don't want to read philosophy and opinions of Marcus Garvey. Philosophy and opinions of Marcus Garvey is more important in this time than the King James Version or any other version of the Bible they want to kill African people. Because if we had read that from the time when I hear about it, I guarantee you that things will be totally different. Because they don't put it in a school and we still wait for them to put it in a school. We are waiting to put it in a school for. Miguel Land published that. You can't go to a bookstore and get the philosophy and opinions of Marcus Garvey. How much I never read it? Oh, no can't bother read it. You don't prefer watch Mount and Massey and all them something from YouTube. Which girl do this and which girl and this and which man and over this and that. Madness. Madness. Look how much educational thing they buy your iPhone. And most ones go up education, go look on it for educational. There's so much craziness at one. It just overcome, it just overtake the youth them so much that it make what we have to come null and void more time. But we're not stop. We're not stop. Because we are confident in the victory of good over evil.
Yes, man.
And His Majesty said, until that day, we Africans will fight if it is necessary. Because we are confident in the victory of good over evil. So no matter where they want to say, until we go, until later rest, we not stop. We can't change. We not reach us out, we got change again. But we want the ones them to understand what we did that say. Understand what is the purpose and why we were saying the things that we were saying. Because you can't say again that Rasta idiot and they don't know what they must say. Because there's so much things that has been said by the Rastafari original history that now it's become part of the mainstream. Who not know say them would have decriminalized ganja in Jamaica. Look how much of a virgin them dead for ganja. All me I 3 times I got jail for ganja, I never smoke ganja yet. How that possible? Yet still now we see ganja. The farmer minister, I don't know Mike, you said this already. The former Minister of National Security who claimed that Vybz Kartel is fingered in over 100 murders. And one murder in a prison farm. Them say Vybz Kartel, him say Vybz Kartel is fingered in over 100 murders. No, since him said that until now, me know you know family come forward say Vybz Kartel kill them picnic. Him no show no evidence. Say Vybz Kartel kill nobody else. And now, him is the director of one of the biggest ganja company in Jamaica.
Yes, sir.
That was a former minister, sorry, head of the police, you know. Police commissioner, you know.
Elrington.
The former commissioner of police is now the head of one of the biggest exporters of ganja. Irony, man. You know much how we go for that, you know much how we get for that.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'll leave you. Because we are saying, really and truly, we just come because we present it necessary. Because the ones them here, we feel it. We feel it, man. I tell you, We set up in a digital and sit around across the street on a digital thing. And I said, what that? 4, 5, whatever that. Come can't say Jamaica that again. If you don't afraid to go to America. Because I don't know if you go to the supermarket, go buy a chewing gum, you can come out back. Alive. So even America, I don't want to go right as I know. You know see? So meanwhile, all the people say, well, I left Jamaica, you see a people in a go and left. Jump out of frying pan and jump in a fire.
Me don't know that.
But that's right there. So,
Yeah,
we don't have to
wicked
use
about
them.
wicked.
Whosoever will may come. But this is the message that I come to give. That the youth them now have to take where we give them. Take where we give them. And set up themselves in the process of liberation. And when I say liberation, we don't mean say any means necessary. That is what we are talking about. Freedom must come by any means necessary. Whether you is a Martin Luther King or a Malcolm X. But as me said, he's a Malcolm X man. Give thanks.
This is a walk and a talk and anything there. Them kind of talk there.
Action.
I invite Mutabaruka.
Yeah.
Because don't tell me many times the boy Big Stone, we're tired of the walking. And guess what, we have short memory. Them killed the 81-year-old grandmother execution style. Ask anyone I know what she name, I don't know. She named Miss Icy. Icy Lee McFarlane. She and her 10-year-old and 8 and 6-year-old grandpicnic execution style. And under Dean, them kill her and dump on her bush and drunk come up behind her. So we tired of the talk. All the gun them turn from we.
Yes.
All the gun them turn from your friend them. All the go to school together. Eat out of the same pot together.
Yes.
I want to turn the gun them from we. I tell you I'm going to reverse it, man.